profile. Get to the live. Do a countdown for everybody. Let's go. Welcome back, everybody. After a long-awaited weekend and time away from stream, we are excited to be back. Thank you so much, everybody, for staying nice and patient with us. As always, I'm joined by none other than Mr. Hazed Beats.
Yo, yo.
And today, we're going to do our regular Sunday review. I'm sure I can hear you. All right. So we'll go over of what we can see on the daily levels. I'm turning down the music just a little bit. There you go.
Yeah, she's running.
Yeah. All right. So our usual order of business, and then we'll do a little back test on in terms of liquidity. Let's do our usual stuff. Oh, you could have kept it.
No, that one was just a little crazy.
Oh, okay. So let's
Grain
do
was boggling.
previous week low. Was there Sunday? Damn. Sunday was the low of the week last week. That's insanity.
Rare, I feel like.
Yeah. Usually.
Isn't it?
Huh?
I don't think I've seen that before.
Yeah.
Even.
Yeah, where it just like ran the whole fucking week. Oh, crazy. Okay, let's do that. Sunday open. That is just about there. Yep. Yep. And let's do the same on these charts. Over here. That's our previous week high. Get to my hourly. Previous week low. Sunday open, 15-minute. What the hell? What's my... What happened to my sessions indicator? Oh,
no.
Sunday. Oh, no, my Globex. Oh, shit, okay. The open was up top. That is so weird.
I know.
What the fuck? What? Like, huh? I even trading view just that one. It's like random ass fucking. I was like, I thought that was the open. I guess not.
That's what I said when you said gap down. I was like, wait. You're like, it's weird.
It opened up high and then closed down. I
Yep.
think that's fucking ridiculous. What the hell? Love it. I love it. Okay. Well, that is what we have in terms of those levels. Let's now take a gander at what we have over here on the other levels. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you guys have any questions, make sure to ask away. We'll make sure to answer your questions. We're just kind of going through levels, seeing what we see in terms of our setups. On the daily, that's the thing that I'm not the biggest fan of. We have no gap up on the daily for me. We have nothing, or we have no displacement to the upside for me right now. I know there's a lot of chatter going on in terms of, well, good news, fucking pausing tariffs, yada, 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 this and that, so we can keep on going up, right? Even like Rocket Scooter. I trust Matt. He's really good, and his analysis of the market is really nice too. He's saying, right, like the liquidity maps are showing more potential upside, right? Which certainly could be the thing that we want to do. But I'd love to see maybe a little pullback before, just like maybe retest of this order block or whatever they want to do in terms of that. So right now, yeah, that 618 lines up pretty nicely over here with that. We are above this level, so that's kind of good. All the other ones, I mean, weekly. There's that previous week high. See what she wants to do. Oh. Touch that liquidity. He did. See if they fill that gap before they do anything. That'd be cool to see if they fill this, and then we can go from there. That would give us a wick, honestly. So that would give us a huge wick, because that's technically the body open. So this should be a red body. Weekly, monthly is looking even more disgusting. Look at that. The bounce on the 0.5 of that range is insane. Look at that level that we've outlined. Look at that. Yeah, I mean, as long as we're honestly, if we're staying above this, I'm fine with more upside. I'd look out on this level over here, actually. Looks like that was a previous area of struggle. Over here you can see, actually no, we didn't even come back to retest that. Okay, yeah, so 19,668.25. That is going to be a solid level for us to watch. 19,668.25. Let me 19. That's a good one. What's this one? 19,500. Let me make it this level. Right there. Like that. Let's watch that to the upside. These two levels. This one. So I don't necessarily need. So watch that to the upside. Let's see what we have to the downside. Daily, daily, daily. Yeah, I'd watch this fair value, or not fair value gap, but just this level over here. That order block-ish thing that we have going on. So I'd watch that. So let's do this. Let's do that. Boom. Let me send this to Mr. Hazed. You can post that for the members in our community.
Danke.
Or that for you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Just scanning through some stock tickers and see if we can find anything good.
Yeah, right now, pick again to here. Still, she's. Yeah, I mean, even these levels that we have outlined before, right? Obviously, still playing out pretty nicely, even though we gapped up, gapped down, fucking contract rollover, whatever, right? These levels are still relevant, right? Like that 19,072, still decent. This one right there too. So we'll see. Maybe we'll see how they want to play it out. What if? No, just hear me out. Just hear me out.
All ears.
Some stupid shit like that. Just
I mean, we could for sure.
just
Not hourly.
food for thought. Yeah. Give us an outside week or something. Insane to the downside. Let's check in with our US 100. Let's cross check. Yeah, very, very similar stuff. I mean, we gonna bounce on these levels, right, that we have outlined. So bounce on that monthly order block over here. I think that was our, yeah, like monthly, 3 months, quarterly order block. I think 6 months to like 6 months was, yeah, 6 months was the solid one over here. So bounce on that, right, came right into it, tapped the 0.5 of this whole range that we've created. And now look at the way we're going. I mean, we've outsided this whole fucking 6 months, even quarterly, right? Oh no, quarterly we still haven't. Oh shit. If they take this all the way back up, oh my god. be insane. And we were just halfway through the month, right? We were halfway through the month, and we just have so much fucking range now. I don't even know, dude.
Hard to position
Yeah.
anyway.
They can chop us around here, then next month come back over here, take it lower. Fuck. Before we go higher.
That.
Huh?
I'd almost prefer that.
Yeah. I think that would be solid, right? That would be something that we could look forward to. Let me close out of my shorts. Let me take a gander
I
here.
took a long just off that super small.
Took a little shorty short. Yee. Whoops. Let me switch it over to my camera real fast. Yeah, I like that. I'll take it off here. I'm fine with that. Cool. I'm cool with a little bit of that. I'd love for us to get Phil, though.
For
I
sure.
think was given. Right, yeah, so like this would be crazy on the monthly, weekly. Weekly would almost give that like discountish kind of like if we took that range, yeah, that would give us almost that 618, 705 right above that wick if we wanted to like into next month position ourselves into something like that. That would be something I could look forward to, honestly. That would make sense to me. If that's something that we wanted to kind of try and do, if we had this whole range, yeah, that's 705 lining up right above that, 0.5 of that range sitting right where we rejected well, no, we're not going to say that. 0.5 right above that previous weekly high, right? So maybe we come back into here, retest that level, and then kind of sell back down, right? I'm still not overly bullish, even though everybody's like, oh my God, tariffs, this and that. I think, well, honestly, it doesn't matter what I think, right? Ultimately, it doesn't matter what I think and what I want price to do. It's whatever price is doing. That's just kind of a speculation, right? That's why we take a look at it every day and see, okay, well, if then, that's our cases. If we can get above this level and if we can take out this liquidity, then we're gonna look for this as our next level, right? The 618. If we can get above that, then okay, cool. We can continue up, right? That's why we have so many levels, and that's why we outlined them like 19. This level 19822. That's an important level for us, right? You can see how we've gotten above it, kind of held, broke below it, came back up, rejected it, then came back above it, used it as support, consolidated back above it, came back down, kind of chopped around it, then came into it, rejected it. So now we're going to look at that area again. Let me see, make sure I have that marked out on my 19822. Almost 19598. 19598. 19822. Is that where it's technically gonna be? 2019. In the middle of that week, 19822. No. Let's do 19822. What the hell? What happened to my level? The fuck?
She gone.
Yeah, 198. 19822. 19822. Oh, I sent it way up there, probably 19822. Yeah, she's resting up there somewhere. Yeah, 19822. That's a solid level to look for. I think that's gonna be. Let's label it. Watch for a reaction. Reaction. That's a little too fucking big for text. There we go. Change it to it's an 846. Yeah, 19. What's that? 19881. Yeah, pretty much like this little area right here. 198222. Just about there, yeah, between those two lines. Keep a close eye on that. Let's see what the sectors might have to say about this shit. Let's go into here. Let me go into commons. No, maybe not even. Not commons. Where do we usually look at this stuff?
I shared it with you. It's the sector ETFs, I think.
Yeah. No, I was just looking at
Watches.
my which one I usually look at so that it shows everything that we look at.
Gotcha.
No, post without saving. Yeah, whatever. Look at this one. Sector ETFs. Let's look at technology. Right. Yeah, technology. Huh. Monthly, 3-month. That is almost even better, yeah, with this. That order block right there.
Yep.
It's almost better right there. 3 months, 6 month. Yeah. She's clean. She's clean. All I have to say is she is clean for like continued, right? Upside. Would not mind more of that, right? More of this like breaker type of shit. This being the breaker, this being the fair value gap. So having more of that unicorn type of setup where we go from there. I think that would give me like the most solid conviction of like, yeah, we're going, you know. But we'll take what we can get. If we were bouncing from here, then so be it. I'm not going to be upset about it.
Yeah,
maybe
no,
I will be.
Heavy dip.
Yeah, I mean,
I wouldn't be surprised.
yeah, fucking A. Or 55.
It's just weird. Like I wanted that discount on US 100 and like got it to like I zoomed in on the 1 minute chart. It was a wick on the 1 minute chart.
Yeah, it got to a fucking
like it got it.
Give it a good old forehead kiss, just fucking, and then continued up.
But like we said, it really depends on the monthly close for me.
Yeah.
The tech, because they love retracing wicks lately. So
yeah, so we'll see, because right, like I was saying, we have no displacement on the weekly, we have no displacement on the daily, but also like, right, if this was just a retrace into discount, then we don't necessarily need a fucking gap, right? We don't need a fair value gap in order for us to quote unquote reverse if this was just a pullback, right?
Yep.
Realistically, that's
what people on Twitter talking about how we didn't get an imbalance, and I'm like, I don't know if we need one if it is continuation.
Yeah, that's my whole thing with like where we are right now, and like, oh, we're flipping back bullish, but it's like, well, on a higher time frame, we actually never were bearish. Realistically speaking, like, exactly. Okay, yeah, well, you know, we might have a gap right here, but fuck, they can easily just fucking retrace this whole fucking thing in the next, I mean, 2000 XLK, yeah. With how much they fucking did, it wouldn't be much work for them with the volatility. Let's take a peek at VIX.
Like Eddie says, we can't tell the future. No one can, surprisingly, but
Oof.
Yeah, just trying to wait on some sort of confirmation.
Yep. Oh, 2020. I mean, same thing. Like beginning of every like that presidential shit. Like, look at this, right? We have our spikes of May into May, and then we start to die down into June, August, and it becomes this like, and then we spike back up, right? This is our presidential election. This was like, and like where Biden got in, same thing, same thing.
Yep. Except for it was Biden.
Huh?
Except for it was Biden.
Yeah,
and,
exactly.
like, we still reversed.
Yeah, everybody wants to talk about that shit. Of like, oh, fucking, oh, fuck off.
Could have been the blessing of a lifetime. We'll see.
Yeah, might have to just like, I mean, if you didn't get it right, just fucking DCA in, and if you're looking for like common side, DCA in, you'll still get a decent move. Whatever, technology, healthcare. Yeah, everything has that similar look. This, I mean, healthcare XLV wouldn't be bad if it did this little number like right here. This is your fucking manipulation to the upside, right? Oh Lord, give me this fucking box, like this shit, right? And then we go from here. Like that wouldn't be bad on XLV, but who knows? Financials, almost everything looks like it got its well-deserved discount. Now it's wanting to continue up. Like on those monthly time frames, right? Given we are halfway through the month, this could be disgusting retrace.
Yep.
I don't know. This is like that's why I've been so abstinent from everything. I'm just like I don't know, so I'm not gonna pretend to know and try to, convince you guys otherwise or anything like that. That's why we're staying very transparent, right? Like this whole week probably took, but I traded probably 2 days out of this whole week. I mean,
I
work
think I placed
obligations
2
and shit.
trades in the last 7 days. Honestly.
Mhm. I mean,
And,
work
that's what I said in
obligations and
Discord the
shit,
other
but
day. I didn't, like I said it in my Discord, I'm not going to post charts just to post charts. Like,
yeah,
I'm
exactly.
waiting for A+ stuff because that's what I'm trying to teach you how to
Mhm.
do as well. Like, I will never just post something and throw you into it because I feel like you're going to get mad at me if I don't post something. Like, that's not what we're building here. And yeah, just be careful of who you follow, be careful of who you listen to, because like we were just talking about with that imbalance, I feel like a lot of people are super perfectionist about what they need to see and are expecting to see and wanting to see, and could end up being super sidelined. You never know, and that's why you need to learn for yourself.
Yep. And that's what we're trying to teach with everything that we do inside paper traders. Like if you guys aren't in already, you can come into our community, right? We're not just like posting random ass plays. It's thought out shit, right? We wouldn't be. It's like if you don't have anything to say, don't say anything at all, right? That's what. It's kind of the shit
No noise.
that we stick to. Yeah. It's kind of like if you want to come hang out, fucking come hang out, right? We're talking, we're having side conversations, but at the end of the day, if we're not seeing anything, it's not like we're overcrowding the chat and being like, oh yeah, look at this, this could do this could do that, and like zooming in or on a 1 minute time frame, being like, yeah, you see that? That's fucking, we're bullish right here.
Yep.
Like,
Even
no,
if you're a
dude.
day trader, doesn't mean trading every day.
Mm-hmm.
At all. That is the
Yeah,
huge
that's the
misconception.
biggest fucking thing. That is the huge fucking thing. Stocks, what do we have? Let's
Oh, I was.
see if there's some stocks.
Talk to me about AMD. I just charted it out. I just want to see your opinion.
You know my opinion. $70 fucking. Oh wait, we got
I think we
75. Oh
got it.
shit.
Yeah, so like, I think I did 3 month, 1 month, and then dropped down to like daily.
Month. I like that
We had-
we came. Yeah, I like this. See,
That
that's what
volume
I kept on
imbalance.
fucking screaming, dude.
Yep. Volume imbalance on the 3 month, I believe.
Yes.
I just
baby.
finished posting like my analysis. Or no, it was a 3 month FVG. The 1 month it tagged like 50% of an OB and the volume imbalance. And then daily we got a CISD.
3 month, monthly, weekly, daily. Yeah. I mean, I'm liking AMD now way better.
We
kidding me?
retested the CSD too.
Yes, maybe I don't know why I didn't buy it 78, but fuck, I wanted those 70s. We got the high 70s, right? I didn't specify. I like it. I like it way better now at these prices for it to continue up, take out all of this fucking bullshit, right? Now that is bullshit to me. This used to be bullshit to me. Now this is bullshit to me. Right?
Yep.
There's
Yep.
our alert right there. So if we
On the
continue
daily.
up.
That daily LRLR is nutty.
Mm-hmm.
Cool. I marked
Yeah.
out the exact same shit.
Yeah, on daily, I want to see above 93, right below this low. We want to see above that, break and hold, right? Retest maybe like this, and then we can. Oh my lord!
Boom.
Always fuck up these fucking arrows. Like whatever, right?
At the same thing.
And
Really over that
continue on up.
115.90, that high.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Like displacing that and then pulling back to OTE would be beautiful too.
Like this.
Like that would be my ideal manipulation put in.
Something like that, yo. Put that on AMD, and then that from there, right? That can go. That's what we were talking about, or something that I posted last weekend in our community of like, well, we are getting like some nice fucking discounts on everything, right? On all of these big name stocks, like this is an opportunity. Like on this one, right? I mean, we didn't quite get it like on Meta, but I think we can still good, right? I mean, we can take whatever. If we take this, probably bounce on the 786 right there. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my god, right on fucking cue.
Yep. And that one loves to just continue. If you look at the chart.
Yep.
Even that COVID crash, I mean, it recovered that and doubled.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So like, Meta is pretty much good. I mean, $500. Who the fuck has like? Because it's kind of fucking stupid. Buy options on Meta, probably way better off to do that than trying to buy the whole stock itself. Apple.
Not financial advice either.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, look at this, right? Look at what we're fucking doing right here. 3 months. If we take the 3 months, we bounced on a 0.5 right there at 618. Yeah.
Drop back to the monthly too. One of my favorite things to like measure out is where, like that last or the first, blue candle that started the uptrend.
Mm-hmm. This one?
Yeah, at the bottom of that.
Oh, this one?
The open. No, the open of the one.
Oh,
you
yeah.
just on. Yeah, if we would have displaced under and closed under that, it would be an OB. So I love marking that out. Just crazy.
Yeah, so like
That
Apple
like
could be
blurred by.
decent from here, right? Those like what do we come down? 169.21. Ha!
Really like ANF too. Whenever you get a chance.
Weekly, daily. Daily looks decent too. Almost kind of weekly almost looks like a AMD over here. ANF.
3 month, 1 month, and then daily, I think.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. That is good. Dang.
OTE, OB, whatever you want to call that, retested that old.
705, right on that perfect OTE. Monthly, yeah, same thing. I like it.
Monthly, and then I think it was a 4 hour. We had a decent structure.
Monthly, even like retesting some of these
Yep.
lows right here. Those previous consolidation levels, right? Those are all our zones that we love to come back and retest. Like, we'll take the whole fucking thing, like 0.5 that zone,
50%.
whatever. All right, weekly, even better. Yeah, I like it. ANF.
4 hour. A little decent structure getting put in here.
Little W, kind of. Maybe one more sweep, but we'll see how she goes. But yeah, in terms of higher time frame, it's good that we have all of this like right perfect little retrace into OTE higher time frame. We remain bullish. This was just a retrace, right? If we're looking in terms of daily, then it's like, well, we're kind of not really bullish yet because we haven't seen like a displacement to the upside. But in terms of higher time frame, we never even like, just to fucking pull back into our discount range on the whole fucking thing. There she goes. She dumpy. Nice. I'm gonna take these lows. Maybe see if we got fill. We'll test it out. See what you wanna do. What else? I wanna look at Tesla. Same shit. Yeah, we had their range kind of outlined. I said Tesla would have been decent at 138. Good sweep on the monthly. 3 month. I'd almost love this little thing. This little volume imbalance on Tesla. 201 on the 3 month.
Yeah, for sure. Tesla looks good.
Yeah. Right, and it's kind of the thing that we have covered before on stream, where we are going from external to now internal liquidity. So now we want to see, are those internal liquidities holding for the upside, or are they failing? Because if they're failing, then we're going to go back down to externals, right? So then we go from external to external, whatever that means, right? External meaning either we can not hold all of our bullish setups and continue to the downside, or external means this is our next external liquidity right here, considering that all of this is holding, right? Like considering our bullish structure continues to hold. It's kind of where we're at with it. But let's see. I think that's all I have for in terms of analysis for stuff. So we can post more of those stocks for people in our Discord, for whatever you see. Like,
I'm just running through everything still.
I don't like these dailies. These like close up fucking range dailies. That's the only thing that's kind of make me think maybe further downside, because consolidation, right? Consolidation. We don't necessarily have a displacement. It's like
a lot of things are super blunt too. I'm
Yeah.
just skipping past a lot of charts.
Mm-hmm.
But there's a few gems in here.
Crowd.
A lot of these
crowd
even
looks good.
Decent structure, but like on 4 hour could still come down.
Yep.
To OTE and still like pretty decent drops, but we'll see.
CrowdStrike looks decent.
I like AVGO too. We'll see. Yeah, again, I just not a time to just jump in stuff, but definitely time to start watching for confirmation, whatever that is in your system. And like the longer you trade, the longer you do this, like you just become okay with missing things, because there's always opportunity in the market forever and always.
Yep.
Like some of these charts, if they look good but like not good enough for me, I don't care if I miss it. It's just not my shit, not my setup.
Chevron.
Hold a standard for your trades, that's all.
Chevron looking kind of cute. Big bull flag.
Yeah, that looks crazy. I'm just so sick of trading those range bound.
Yeah. CVX DraftKings.
What a
haha! Look at FedEx. Oh my
night, dude. Yeah, take those. That's beautiful. Just straight down.
Yeah.
Baba monthly.
Nice.
I don't really love trading China stocks. Baba monthly doesn't.
Autodesk, look at that beauty.
I know. Wow. The Aminalia.
The animal, the zookeeper.
The one and only.
Oh wait, Arnold.
What do you think about Baba monthly?
ABBV Baba.
Baba, China.
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 China. MT. Amazon, what do we say?
Bing bong.
Do you remember? Amazon was also a great fucking buy. 161. That's a good one. Break out of that bullshit. Yeah, ANF, I'm liking it over here. Yeah.
I do too. Is there an animal on it or no?
No. Nothing I see. Arc. Go BA. Let's see. Baba. We got to our Baba. I just don't like how low, like, when the trades like this, when you have like a bunch of shit like that, I don't like those.
Yeah.
I typically just skip over them. It's enough to use up this liquidity, so it's good to continue up, but I'm just not a fan of those charts. I
I
like
don't
my
love China stocks either.
like my price continuous. Nice little animal bounce on Chipotle. Simj. Chipotle, the most unauthentic Mexican food you can ever fucking get.
Most unauthentic food, period.
It's seriously most fucking probiotic ass
Trash.
chicken you can ever fucking get, guys. Cook your own shit.
Tasteless.
Literally. It's like you fucking pull it out, it looks like a sponge. Doesn't even have the fucking fibers or anything.
Yeah, I don't get the obsession with that shit. I really don't.
Go to an authentic hole in the wall place, y'all. Go try some actual like fucking food. Give to your local economy. And I don't know wherever you're located, but fuck, dude, look up Mexican
It's
food
everywhere.
around me and filter out Chipotle Mexican Grill and fucking what's the other Qdoba. Go try some real fucking food. Look at DG, nice.
That's all me and Eddie do, honestly.
Yeah, seriously. Might start a fucking food channel soon here. Y'all.
I open a restaurant.
Cooking, yeah.
You
Cooking.
really should.
Dude, I know. I've thought about it so many times.
Like breakfast with Ed could actually be breakfast with Ed.
Yeah, literally. Like fucking TikTok channel. Breakfast with
He
Ed.
said with the shirt off.
Yeah. my little apron.
The assless chaps apron.
Yeah. Mm-mm. Teach you how to fucking teach boys how to fucking cook. If I cook a nice meal for your girl, dude, don't take her out. Be a fucking man.
Crowd. Wait, were you talking crowd before?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks good. It doesn't want to go down. That's for sure.
I posted it in the inner channel options.
618 to the T of this huge range. Yeah, this looks crazy. I like this. It's resilient. It wants to go up, I feel like.
It's resilient. Ford tap, what did this fucking tap? $6. Low $8. Hey. Ford.
She tried.
Just wait
What
till
do you look like
June.
you
Just
go
wait
for?
till June, guys. Oh my god, gold ripping insanity.
Still going?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I called that all side week in the middle of the week last.
Insane. GameStop. You want to be buying GameStop right here. Not financial advice.
Yeah, I do really, really like crowd.
GNRC, Generac. That's a nice OT. 618. 786. I mean.
I like trading that one. It's super seasonal. The seasonality definitely affects.
Oh, yeah,
it,
nice
with, like, hurricane
786. Nice
season.
sweep on this blunt bottom too. I like that. Tap into that fair value gap too. Woo, boy, I like it. That
Yeah.
look good.
I like trading that one. The options move really nicely.
Clear
on Chimera.
this bullshit too. So I'm liking it. I like it. To the upside.
Cool. It's one of my favorite stocks. It doesn't
GS.
need generators.
GTL BHD. Ho Depot.
I won't touch that thing.
Holy shit, look at Hood off that fucking 705 Ripper. Pew!
Their cash delivery fucking service.
Insanity. No.
Those, like, so you can, like, if you need cash, like, instead of go to the ATM, you just, like, order cash and they, like, bring you cash.
The
That's
fuck?
like the worst idea ever.
I'm like, he's about to get robbed.
Yeah, your driver didn't make it.
Yeah. Hey, this is
Like-
your driver. I'm getting held at gunpoint right now. I'm
Like,
sorry.
your driver didn't make it. Like, oh, where is it? No, like, he didn't make it.
Oh my god. JPM clearing out some of this bullshit too. I like it. Low Lulu. Mara. MGM.
Robin Hood dude's name. I always forget.
Oh, fucking. Isn't he Vlad too? Isn't he a
Yeah,
Vlad?
yeah. He just getting it's everything.
Yeah. Yeah. Vladimir Tenev. Vlad. Vlatinov. Vlad. Good old Vlad. He almost looks like he should be the owner of Ethereum. Like if he was the face of Ethereum, I feel like that coin would do so much better.
Yep. What about
Instead,
CES?
instead we have some fucking bullshit ass fucking.
Yeah, like,
Oh, actually, wait, hold the fuck up. Look at this.
she done? Oh, what a disgusting chart, dude.
Look at wait, did I post this anywhere? Hold the fuck up.
Pull up the full Ethereum chart though, not the perp.
When did I
Do
draw it?
ETH USD.
When did I make this change? March 2nd. Wait, we drew this out before it even like I was like, wait, no, we're not done yet. Wait a minute. Did I post this in crypto? Hold the fuck up.
I'm pretty sure.
Cross check myself with this ETH shit.
I don't think I've ever seen anything just consecutively sell off like that for so long.
Until you met Ethereum.
Little dude sniffing robot dog butt.
Yeah. Oh, fucking goober, dude.
And just relentlessly selling his own coin. That doesn't help either.
What a fucking goober, dude. It's insane. March 8th. Where is this shit?
I'm meowing at dog.
Yeah, oh, yeah, that he was meowing at it. Yeah.
Nice fucking short close too, by the way.
On what? On keys?
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Jeez.
ETH.
If we can get a 5-minute CISD on NQ, I almost wonder if they just run this back up before gap filling. ETH. Damn, this is like a full-blown like Irish pub jam in here right now.
Yeah, we're fucking. It's St. Patty's Day. Fucking past that. I need to put this into a picture frame. To our chart, into our beautiful picture frame chart.
Here we go. Vibe switch.
Yeah, honestly, ETH, I would not mind. I would not mind going from here.
Can you pull up the full chart, like the USD on Coinbase, not the perpetual?
Yes. ETH. I guess it's on Bluefin, so you need to uncheck that. US dollar, this on Coinbase, yeah. 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 Yep.
Yeah. Cool.
Yeah. Oh! Look at
There
this!
she is.
When was this drawn out? April 13th? Last month. Oh, dang it. It's because I put it on. Fuck.
Turned it on.
Yeah. Dang it.
Are you capping?
Nice outline. Yeah, ETH. I mean, yeah.
I don't. What about Solana?
I'm not a hater of ETH from
I still
from
hate
our
it.
fucking levels. What a view, Clark.
I'd
Actually,
rather
no.
go all in on
Probably
Doge.
when we drew this line, March 30th, 2025. Yeah, whatever. Soy Lana. Soy boy Lana. Solana. Ooh. Damn,
Monthly.
95. That would have been a solid fucking buy. Yeah, if we can come back, retest this monthly open, I think we can make it happen. It's got a similar structure as Doge. I like
Definitely
it.
feel like I had a tweet at the top saying something about not wanting to be long here. Have to dig that up. Welcome to the zoo, dude. Yeah, like that should be your new tagline. That goes hard.
Welcome to the fucking zoo, boys
I like that.
and girls. Let's see. Let's eat. Well, let's check it out. Let's see if it goes from there. Let's see if ETH wants to send it from there. From our multiple outlines of sweeping that liquidity and then continuing up. I think, yeah, even on the monthly, it was looking good. I'm liking it, yeah. Clear that shit out. Get above this 200. We're sending it. Oh, damn, we tapped 1,300 on it. I do like Solana, too.
Yep.
Solana looks good.
Doge. Still
I'm
looks good.
really liking this monthly order block that she fucking made right there, dude. And above the 200 on the dude, yeah.
Dude, I wouldn't even entertain Ethereum compared to Solana. Solana's superior in my opinion.
Solana, should we take some longs on the soy?
Soy and Solana and Doge are all you really need.
Yeah.
Still really liking Bonk too. Price action's been clean ever since it took that liquidity on the bottom. The inception liquidity. Yeah, there was some really killer. That's what I was saying before about careful about just listening on to anyone on Twitter, honestly, because in hindsight, I feel like there might have been a lot of great opportunities here.
Mm-hmm.
Some
On
people
the
are just
soy.
salty.
Doge Fet Jupe. Jupe.
I don't wanna
Jupe.
talk about Jupe
Holy
anymore.
fuck. They destroyed Jupe.
Mm-hmm.
Good God. Wait.
Orca doing it again? No, they destroyed Whiff. Like, they destroyed Whiff.
Took it out back and fucking
Yeah, I blasted it.
Bluefin.
Oh, I wanted you to peep
Oh my
AVAX.
god. Wait, they're doing
Lower
to
con-
org.
Yeah, they're doing
Let's go. Bump it.
and then peep AVAX. This is another coin that just never really got its run.
Ooh,
Pull up the
I'm
full chart.
liking the up above that.
Yeah, do the USD chart.
AVAX. Oh, she's solid.
This one never really got love in that last run either, and it actually is a really good coin.
Right there at
In my
that
opinion.
above that 200, she's looking good too. All of this LRLR at
Mana.
least. Mana.
Mana looks so good too. This
Yeah.
structure down here is nice on the daily.
Yeah, she's above, way above that monthly open. I like that. She's looking good. I'm liking this.
Tia took Inception low too, but don't love the LRLR. I think, dude, Doge, if Doge can, once it gets a weekly close above that 0.1726,
Yeah, Bonk is
think it'll
looking
be
good
different.
too. Yeah, I'm seeing these animals to the upside. You saw all those the past three
Yep.
charts. I'm liking kind of that
Just
LRLR,
patience.
clear that shit, and that's kind of what I'm looking for on those. Honestly,
This reminds me of when we moved to Colorado. So 3 years ago, like I think I talked about it the other stream, but moved here, bought Bitcoin. They almost shook me out because it took, I think, from April, because we moved here like 3 years ago, like today pretty much. And it was like, it looked like it was in a run from April until July, and it just kept chopping. And then that's when it finally just bursted.
yep.
So I think we see something like that. Beach
Liking
ball
that.
underwater type stuff, and then let it
Yeah.
explode.
Let's do it. All right,
Let's do it.
getting into here. I gotta fucking piss, y'all. I can.
Yeah, we're good.
This
We'll
stream.
post the rest of the stuff in
Mhm.
Paper Traders. If you want more, hop in.
Yeah. If you guys are new to this, make sure you check out www.papertraders.io. That's your go-to website for everything that we provide. You can see our calendar, the monthly calendar that we do in terms of the live streams that we are pushing every day. We're trying to do every day, which we're working on. Right. This weekend we took a little bit of a little hiatus, touch some
We had to go
grass,
outside.
recharge. Yeah, get some weather, get some tan on. So if you guys are new, make sure to check that out. Check out the trader log, check out the ICT trainer, check out the candle creator, and make sure you also check out the risk calculator. Especially in these wild ranges, you want to make sure you're staying a little dialed with your risk. Make sure you check out Hazed Beats, phenomenal trader, great guy, great content that he's posting as well. And if you guys are new, if you guys are not in the community yet, just you go ahead and jump in, even for a week. Try it out. $9 for a whole week. That's what you spend at Starbucks on a shitty frap. So go ahead, do that. Hop in there, check us out. If you want to stay for longer, stay for longer. There's a little something on the website that pops up at the top whenever you come in. And there's also a confetti button for anyone that's interested in checking that out. So go ahead, check that out. Give us a follow, give us a like if you're enjoying these live streams. Makes us want to do more of them. But I mean, we're not stopping. So keep it coming. Love y'all. We appreciate you guys. If you guys have any questions, tag us. Let us know. We're always happy to answer, happy to help everybody. Yeah. Enjoy your night. We'll see you tomorrow morning.
Yep,
Peace out.
thanks for tuning in. Peace.